Welcome to this video on the challenges of Nigerian democracy, focusing on the historical context of the interim national government. Nigeria's democratic journey has been characterized by military rule and brief democratic periods. The 1993 crisis, involving the annulment of a historic election and the establishment of the short-lived interim national government, highlights these challenges. The June 12th election, under President Babangida, was expected to be Nigeria's fairest. The interim national government was headed by Chief Ernest Shonekan, a non-elected businessman. The June 12, 1993 election featured MKO Abiola of the SDP and Bashir Tofa of the NRC. Voting was peaceful, and results showed MKO Abiola in the lead across all regions. On June 23, 1993, President Babangida annulled the election, citing alleged electoral and legal irregularities. Many viewed this as an unwillingness to yield power, particularly to a civilian from the Yoruba Southwest. Under intense pressure, Babangida stepped aside in August 1993 and installed the interim national government, led by Chief Ernest Shonekan. The ING was tasked with conducting new elections and managing the economy, yet it faced a crisis of legitimacy. One of the fundamental challenges was the ING's illegitimacy. It was established by military decree, lacking a democratic mandate, and was widely seen as a puppet regime for Babangida's interests. The ING suffered from political instability, as supporters of MKO Abiola considered it illegal. It also inherited a severe economic crisis, including massive foreign debt and a currency crisis. The government's legitimacy was further stripped when the Lagos High Court declared the ING illegal. Moreover, the ING lacked effective authority over the armed forces, making its survival dependent on military consent. Citing political and economic chaos, Defense Minister General Sani Abacha overthrew the ING in a bloodless coup on November 17, 1993. Shonekan resigned, and Nigeria returned to full military rule. In summary, the ING crisis illustrated key democratic challenges. The annulment of June 12 showed the importance of electoral integrity. The ING's collapse proved that a government without a popular mandate is inherently vulnerable. The ease with which the military interrupted the transition highlighted the critical challenge of ensuring civilian control over the military in nascent democracies. This period underscored the absence of strong, independent institutions, such as the judiciary and electoral bodies, necessary to check executive overreach and uphold the Constitution. The Abacha years revealed the high cost of democratic breakdown, human rights abuses, and economic decline. However, the persistent struggle for democracy demonstrated the public's deep desire for democratic rule. The 1993 to 1998 period serves as a critical lesson on the fragility of democratic transitions. It emphasizes the need for institutional strengthening and the unwavering subordination of military power to civil democratic authority. The issues of legitimacy and military interference still shape Nigeria's democracy. Thank you for watching this video on Nigeria's interim national government.